Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rifia Syaban with the name 2025-32-100, and I'm from Information System Programs or Majoring maybe, and then I'm from C class. Okay. In this video, I will explain about practicum assignment. Uh, there's assign the task of calculating some data using Excel software, and the data values were provided by the lab assistant. Okay, we just make some data to Excel. Okay. So first we create a table for the data values, okay, and I use rows A through G, and for the columns I use 1 through 12, okay, and then create a table for the max, min, and range and k values. Okay, next, to calculate the max value, use the formula. The formula is equal and then max, and select all data values and then click enter, and do the same thing to find the mean value. Just replace the formula with min. Okay, then to calculate the n value, use the formula equal count and select all data. Same before with the to find max and min, just different in the formula is count, and then select all the data and then click enter. Okay. N is the largest value in the table for in the table data. Okay, to calculate the range, use the formula. The formula is equal max minus min, and then click enter. Okay, then for the k value, use the formula 1 plus 3,3, and then multiple, and then logarithm, and then n. Okay, then click enter. If the result is a decimal, use the formula. The formula is round, and then click enter. Okay, next, to calculate the value of C, use the formula equal value of the range divide by the value of K. If the result is a decimal, use the formula uh, use the formula round up. Okay, next, well, uh, we all calculate the upper and lower bounds. For the first lower bound, use the formula. The formula is a value of the range, and then click the mean value, and then click enter. And for the first upper limit, use the formula is equal to the first lower limit plus the value of C, and then press enter. Click enter. For the second lower limit, use the formula equal to the first upper limits plus 1, and then press enter. Click enter. For the second upper limit, use the formula equal to the second lower limit plus the value of C, and then click Fn and F4 for lock the value and then subtract 1 and then click enter. For the remaining upper and lower limits, just sim just simply drag the formula down, and we getting uh, all the first upper limit and first lower bound and upper bound. Okay, next, to calculate the frequency values, select all the FE columns and then enter the formula, which is equal to the frequency, and then select all the class data and all the upper limits, then press click set CTRL plus shift plus enter, and then once you have the result, simply drag the formula down to apply it to the remaining data and calculate all the frequency values using auto sum. Okay, next, to calculate the FR values using formula, which is equal to the first frequency divided by n, and then click Fn plus F4 to lock the cell, and then multiply by 100% to get the result. Okay, next, to apply this to the rest of the data, simply drag the formula down, and then next, to calculate the first FR less than value, use the formula equal to the first FE value. Then click enter. For the second FK less than value, use the formula equal to the first FK values, uh, and then plus, and then click the second FE value and then click enter. Okay, once the result appears, like usually, simply drag down to see all FK less than values. Then next, to calculate the first value of FK greater than, use the formula. The formula is equal to the value of n and press enter. Click enter. For the second value of fk greater than, use the formula equal to the first value of fk greater than minus the first value of fi. Once the result appears, like usually, drag down to find all values of fk greater than values. Okay, that's all. Concludes the explanation by me for this assignment 1, practical assignment 1. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.